something on the lens. I'll start from there, that's fine. That's it. I'll start from there, that's good. What's up, 7.3 fans? Welcome back to the 7.3 Garage. My name is Brandon. Got a pretty cool video for you guys today. Gonna keep it short and sweet. This is gonna be part one of two. I know I mentioned in my last video, we're gonna be doing something cool with Frankie's 99 F350 7.3 Powerstroke. So we got some parts here we're gonna be showing you, and Frankie's here hanging out. So we're gonna tell you what the problem that he's been having with this truck for how long now?
It's been since I got it.
Since you got it. So it's a pretty common problem with these trucks. So we're gonna talk about what that issue is and how we're gonna correct it. You guys have seen this truck. This is, again, Frankie's 99 F350 with 7.3 dually, one of my favorite trucks. So the issue he's been having with this is, since he's got it, like he just said, the truck has been having, he's noticed under hard acceleration, wide open throttle, or even in a hotter tune, the truck has, I guess you can call it a surge, is what we've kind of deduced just from driving the thing around, but what we've seen online. People have the same issue, and been linked up with KC Turbos from Brian. So thank you, Brian, for that. KC Turbos, you guys are awesome. We're gonna get into more of their products and talk about them in just a few minutes. But the issue that these trucks have is the factory compressor wheel. I believe it's the angle of the blade on the compressor wheel causes it over time to start to have a surge. So you start to lose boost pressure, power, efficiency, especially when you're towing. Frankie doesn't do a whole lot of heavy towing, but guys, for those of you guys out there that do heavy towing, I know this can be an issue, especially if you're pulling up a hill or you got a large amount of weight on the back of the truck. So the product we're gonna be installing is a full rebuild kit, and we're gonna get over there in just a minute to show you about a full rebuild kit that includes a nice balanced assembly, compressor and exhaust wheel with the new turbine, the whole deal. So this is usually the fix to all the problems. So let's jump over and show you what we got. So here's our parts. Again, big shout out to KC Turbos. We've been working with Jason over there. Jason is their marketing manager. And Jason, thank you very much for getting us on board with you guys to get these parts over to us so we can make sure you guys get the recognition that you deserve. The products are awesome, even not even having installed them, and just from reviews that we've read online, they're fantastic. So let's jump right into this. So here's our nice brand new balanced 7.3 assembly. So you have the brand new compressor wheel, turbine shaft, the whole thing. This is all a complete assembly, and it is very, very pretty, to say the least. So we are, for the video that we're gonna be doing for part two, is gonna be the entire how-to install video, some things you might encounter, tips and tricks, just things like that. So that's included in the rebuild kit as well. They do sell, I believe they sell just the compressor wheel on its own, but also with, you get the whole kit. This is what it comes with. So these are a journal bearing style turbocharger. It has all of the O-rings and gaskets, hardware, all the snap seals and bearings and everything that you need to install the parts, so everything's going to be good to go. So nice new brass fitting or bearings there and everything. So when we do this video, I believe we're going to shoot Sunday. We are going to have the full install top to bottom with a drive after and a review to make sure the problem is going to be fixed, and I'm 105% sure that this is going to fix our issue. But again, big shout out and thanks to KC Turbo. Jason, you're awesome. If you guys need anything, I will include a link to this specific product on their website so you guys can check it out. And make sure you follow them on Instagram. I'll have all their social media down below. But again, huge shout out to KC Turbos. Let's fire this thing up. We're gonna take it down the road and show you guys what it does. We just ran out to get some lunch, and we were driving back to the house just to show you guys what the truck does. Frankie did change out the wastegate. It actually has a diesel slate wastegate on it. We figured the wastegate may have been jumbling around, so that ended up not being the fix of the problem, but we're very confident we're gonna be able to fix it now. So, oh, there goes Vinny. Let's see how this thing does. There you go. So hopefully you guys can hear that it has that little fluttering kind of chatter. That's the problem that we're going to be targeting. If you guys have that happen on your truck, the compressor wheel is most likely the issue, especially if it's a stock turbocharger, it's never been rebuilt, never been serviced, anything like that. So that's kind of the direction we're going to be heading. But we're gonna get back to the house. I'm actually gonna have Frankie start the truck up so you guys can hear a before and after on the exhaust note. He does have a muffler, but you should hear a little bit more whistle in the exhaust, and in the cab we should have a little bit more, some more cool turbo noises in the cab. So we're gonna have some lunch. We're gonna fire the truck up, and we will finish the video off here for you guys. We're gonna give you guys a quick little startup so you can hear how that sounds pre-exhaust or pre-turbo. that is all that I have for this one, guys. Thank you for watching as always. I hope you guys are excited to see the final product as we are. We are really looking forward to doing this. This should be a pretty cool little rebuild video for everybody, just so you guys have a little idea of how to tackle a job like this. It's usually pretty straightforward, but again, you guys know how I like to do business. Nice, clean, easy. We'll clean parts as we go and make sure everything comes out exactly how it should be. So stay tuned for that video. We plan on shooting on Sunday. Today is, I'm all messed up. I think today is Thursday. So we should be filming by Sunday. That video should be out Sunday or Monday. I will have the video out and up to you guys so you can enjoy it as well. But as always, guys, thanks for tuning in. Do not forget to check out jellyboatperformance.com to check out all of your 7.3 Powerstroke performance needs and tuning. And if you guys have any questions, as always, leave them in the comment section below. Any recommendations while we're in there. If you guys have anything else related to this video or anything else related to 7.3s, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. I have my email on my channel page, and I'm on Instagram as well, which I always like to include my social media down below. So if you need something, please feel free to reach out. That's all that I have, guys. I look forward to seeing everybody soon. My name is Brandon. This is the 7.3 Garage. We will see you next time.